excavator digging in the dirt, man. Oh, look at all that dirt in your bucket. Oh, you dumped it out. Good job. Oh, pushing the dirt. Big backhoe you got. You gonna do some digging? No, but you know where we're gonna go? Where?
The building site!
Yeah, we're going to the building site. What are we gonna play with? Yeah, we're gonna play with Excavator and Backhoe Costume and trucks and dirt. Yay! Y'all, the toys we're gonna take to the building site. Wow, cool. Oh, you're getting some dirt. All right. Wow. That dirt is very hard, isn't it? Yeah.
I tried this, but see, I don't try this.
Cardboard backhoes don't dig very good. Yeah, they do. They do dig good. Oh, look at all that dirt in your bucket. Oh, you dumped it out. Good job. Yeah. This backhoe's hard at work. Wow. Ooh, you're digging in the dirt. Wow. Shake it, shake it. You wanna come up here? With your backhoe on? Get the picture. Is it up there on top of the mountain?
No.
You're welcome. Is that very scary?
Yeah.
It's scary on top of that mountain.
Yeah.
Big mountain of rock.
I want the dog.
Okay.
Yeah, can I the dog? No, yes.
I've got trucks.
Yay!
Thank you.
I want the excavator.
You want the excavator?
Yeah.
All right. Let me sit some down over here. There's a dump truck, there's a front loader, there's a truck, here's Rubble and Chase. Alright, another dump truck, bulldozer, front loader. Whoa, look at that excavator digging in the dirt, man. Oh, it's got a big rock, huh? We need a dump truck to put it in.
Why?
Don't you want to put that rock in a dump truck? I'll get a dump truck. Load me up, excavator. Oh no, you missed my bucket. There we go. I need more rocks. Oh yeah, put your booms up. Move somewhere else. There we go. Oh, there's Chase from PAW Patrol. Chase is on the case, huh? I think only Chase and Rubble showed up for this mission.
Good job, Titin.
Those are the only ones I could find.
Why do we not have steamroller either?
No, we don't have a steamroller. Oh man. We got a bulldozer though. You can make roads with bulldozer. Bulldozer coming through. Pushing the dirt. You want the bulldozer? All right, Mr. Noble wants the bulldozer. Oh yeah, make that road, man. Wow. Bulldozer coming through. Oh no, it's gonna get racing Rubble. Excavator, save him. Save Chase and Rubble. Hold on. Excavator's gonna save him. Oh, there he saved Rubble. Can he save Chase? He did it. The PAW Patrol pups are safe. Hey, Rubble.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna drive an excavator.
Why?
Because.
And now I did bulldozer.
Are you gonna ride that bulldozer? Yeah.
Sorry, this is too big. I want to take this.
I bet he could do that front loader over there.
Yeah.
For Rubble.
Rubble, yeah, front loader so much.
Yeah, he does. Rubble likes front loaders so much.
Rubble's on the double.
Yeah.
I'm done this front loader days.
Oh wow, Rubble's got his own backhoe or shovel, yeah. Okay, Chase is on his way in his excavator. Oh, Tipton's got Chase. He's bringing him over faster. Did you throw him? Did you throw Chase?
Yes.
He's right underneath your back wheel.
This here. Hey.
Chase is gonna be in this little front loader.
Hey. This is my big one.
Yeah.
Hey, I find one more yet.
There's one more?
I find one.
Yeah.
The little one for me.
All right, look at all that dirt. Let's move that dirt over here. Dump it out, yeah.
No, Titin, don't throw it. Put it in there. Good job.
I got some more dirt.
You got some more dirt? All right, cool. Make a little road here.
I threw the little one.
All right. Big ramp right there. truck over. Let's see if we can ramp it.
Let's see, Dada.
Tipton, can I have your truck? Can I have your truck? Let's see if we can take it off this big ramp.
Let's try this one.
You want to do that one? Okay, we're going to ramp a dump truck. All right, this is Colossus the dump truck. Ready? Here it goes. Yeah! I don't know if that bulldozer ramp, but I bet Tipton's truck would ramp. Can I have your truck, Tipton? You don't want to give me your truck? You don't? He's shaking his head like, no.
Don't you touch my truck.
Okay, let's do that one. We might need to widen this road a little bit. That's a big truck. That's a big dump truck. All right. Oh no, he wrecked. He crashed. Let's see if we'll do it this time. Woo! Oh, he just went right through the ramp. He was too big. We need to make a new ramp. Oh, you're gonna get rid of that one? Let's see. Where do we want to put the new ramp? Hey, don't throw dirt. Oh! You throw dirt, we'll have to take a bath. You don't want to take a bath, do you? Oh! Let's go ramp him again. You want to ramp him? Here. Be a big road. Yeah. Alright, there's a big ramp. We're going to make a big old jump. Alright, ready for a big jump? Don't knock that in. Alright, here goes the fishing truck. It's got wind trout. Alright, here goes our big ramp. Ready? Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it wrecked. It didn't work. He wrecked. We're going to have to try this again. Yeah, let's try it again now. Okay. You're going to try it now? Alright. Oh, he wrecked again. Here we go. This time he's going to go really far, way over there. Ready? Woo! All right, when you don't bring a shovel, you use your hat.
You're taking now what doing.
Okay. Chase just walking around, woof, 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 and he gets down here, and then all of a sudden a big sandstorm comes. Sandstorm! Oh no, big sandstorm! And next thing you know, he's under the dirt.
Oh no!
Rubble, save me! Save me, Rubble!
I did it!
You did it, I don't see him. There he is.
Oh, there's a big old stick.
Big stick.
I rescued you.
Yay, you rescued Chase.
He's gonna be sandstorm.
Big sandstorm's gonna get Rubble now.
Ah,
Oh no. Oh no. Chase is gonna see if he can save Rubble. Oh no. He did it. Rubble's safe.
Walk around. We are dirty.
They're so dirty.
Yeah,
We're gonna have to wash them off in the sink at home, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so dirty. We gotta clean up all these dirty toys.
Why?
Because we got them all dirty. We gotta hose them down. Alright, let's fill up your truck. Let's see. Does that work for you?
Yeah.
Alright. Let me put some here with Mr. Tipton. One for you. More toys for you?
Yeah.
Alright. You can have Chase, Rubble, and the dump truck.
We thought the door was ready. We done.
You gotta drive over to the hose.
Huh?
What?
You gotta drive over to the hose. It's over there. Want to follow me?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Crazy driver.
Watch where you're going.
Let's unload your toys, and then you're going to have to back this truck out of the way because we don't want to get your truck wet. Because it shouldn't get wet. Okay, back that truck out of here. Oh. Let me put my phone inside.
Oh yeah. Wallet too, maybe.
You ready?
I get it, Tiffin.
Alright, here comes the water. Don't spray me. Alright, let's spray it down. Not us. Yeah, hold him down. Can you squeeze that more? Alright, come get your pup. Yeah. Hey! Stop leaning your truck! Get your truck! Help me! Watch out, Tipton! Here goes Joe!
It's okay.
There we go, that's a good boy. Get them pups good. You might need to pick them up and kind of move them around. Like this. Get all that dirt out. There we go. Oh, did you not get Alright, get this there. Get this there. Oh, it's okay. Your brother's got the water hose. Your brother got the water hose. Nobody don't like it when his brother's got the water hose. Hose off this truck. Hose off
Who let him have the hose? Who let him have the hose?
Dump it on you?
No, on you.
On me?
Yeah.
Oh, alright, fill it up. Fill it up, I'll dump it on me. Keep going. Your turn. My turn to get it?
It's different now.
Oh,
It
no.
ain't gonna do it. Alright, my turn to get it. Here I go. Ready? Here I go. Here I go. Oh, it's so cold. Say if you like this video, click subscribe. There you go. Good job.